So we can see that the rally is there when the price is breaking the resistance zone. Also, we can see a double bottom is formed in this stock. Hi friends, this is Chitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing good. Many of you will be watching my video first time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Many of you asked me how to trade with the price action without any indicator. So here I am going to show you one live example. So before that I will teach you how to draw the W pattern. So go to the tool section and you can draw the W pattern. So price will not move in the straight line. Price will always move in the price will not be moving in the straight line. So here is the W pattern, means price is at the resistance level. So what is this W pattern? Here we can see one resistance level is here. So I will mark that. I will tell you that level. So price is at the resistance. So what happens when the price touched the resistance? We can see that there is a drop in the price, means price is not able to break the high. So we can see a fall in the price. Till how much the price can fall? Price can fall till the next support. So this is the support. So this is a support level. Alright. So from support we have to always look for buying. That is at the bottom we have to look for buying. So from here again price went to the next resistance. So we can put one more line here. So this is the next resistance. After that, once the price touched the resistance, price again retraced till the support level, and from there again price went to the our first resistance level. So this is how the double bottom is formed. So what is double bottom? Here we have one bottom and this is the another bottom. So this is called double bottom. Okay, now we can see one example. I will show you. I have already shared a video on how to draw the trend lines. So in this stock, we can see that the price is currently trading at the resistance level. So this is the resistance zone. Why this is a resistance zone? Because we can see the price is touching multiple times here and price is taking the resistance we are facing here, and whenever the price is touching this level we can see that there is a rejection. So what will happen if the price is crossing above this level? We can see a up move in this level, right? So we can see that the rally is there when the price is breaking the resistance zone. Also we can see a double bottom is formed in this stock. Okay. So when the price is breaking this high, one can enter into the long trade. I have already shared a video on how to trade with the volume. So now we will add the volume here, or else I will show you how to add the volume. Go to indicator and add the volume. Okay. So why this volume is very helpful in our trading? Because when you see here, when the price is going to touch the resistance level, and also when you look into the volume also getting increased. So this is another sign of bullishness. So once the price is able to cross this resistance, we can see a up move in this particular stock. This is Sonacom, what we are reviewing now, and I have taken the daily time frame. So let's see in the coming days how the stock is performing, whether the price is able to break the double bottom or price is able to break the resistance zone. This is my Telegram channel, that is Trader Chitra. So those who are want to join my Telegram channel, they can log in, and this is a free channel. Here I will be posting the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. That is daily I will be posting the support and resistance for the next day. So you can use this chart and you can trade. And here also I will share the levels like Bank Nifty and Nifty levels, major resistance and the major support. Also I will be sharing on everyday analysis. Here I will be sharing my live analysis. So those who are interested can join my Telegram channel. Thank you. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.